Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find Tools folder and click on it. Then select Recorder app and tap on Allow in the pop-ups. Then to start a recording, click on this red button. I already selected Allow, so I can click on the button right away to start my recording. In order to pause it or unpause it, use this right button. Now you can add a bookmark by clicking on this left one, and end it and save it by tapping on the middle one. Over here, in order to play your recording, click on it. To start my recording. If you wish to rename it though, you need to hold it, select rename option over here, and then save your changes by tapping on OK. In order to get rid of it though, hold it again, but this time click on delete option over here and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!